welcome back again. Today we'll be discussing about the topics that are creating a huge buzz worldwide. That is machine learning and artificial intelligence. Yes, the plethora of applications in artificial intelligence has changed the face of technology. The terms machine learning and artificial intelligence are often used interchangeably. However, there's a stark difference between the two that is still unknown to the industry professionals. Let's start by taking an example of virtual personal assistants, which have been familiar to most of us quite some time now. So we all of, we all know Siri, right? It is the part of Apple Incorporation's iOS, Watch OS, Mac OS, and TV OS operating systems, and also Google Now, which is a feature of Google Search offering predictive cards with information and daily updates in the Google app for Android and iOS. And then Cortana, which is a virtual assistant created by Microsoft for Windows 10, and intelligent digital personal assistants on the platforms like iOS, Android, and Windows, respectively. To put it in plainly, they help to find relevant information when requested using voice. For instance, for answering queries like what's the temperature today or what is the way to nearest supermarket, etc. And the assistant will react by searching information, transferring that information from the phone, or sending commands to various other applications. Artificial intelligence is critical in these applications as they gather data on the user's request and utilize the data to pursue speech in a better manner and serve the user with answers that are customized to his inclination. Microsoft says that Cortana consistently finds about its users and that it will in the end build up the capacity to anticipate users' needs and cater to them. Virtual assistants process a tremendous measure of information from an assortment of sources to find out about the users and be more compelling in helping them in arrange and track their data. Machine learning is a vital part of these personal assistants as they gather and refine data based on the user's past participation with them. Thereon, this arrangement of information is used to render the results that are custom made to users' inclinations. So, in any machine learning algorithm, the in any machine learning project or problem for the solution, we'll be basically having five steps. Firstly, we'll be getting the data, that is collecting the data. Then we'll purify the data. We'll be cleaning the data, pre-processing the data, manipulating the data in the way we need it. We'll be grabbing all the informative data. Then we'll be training our machine learning model with the data, and then we'll be testing our machine learning model with other test data, and we'll be checking the accuracy score, its accuracy, its performance. If it's perfect, then no problem. If it's not perfect, let's improve it. We'll be changing, we'll be playing with the parameters. We'll be again pre-processing the data. We'll be training the model with different arguments, parameters, different test sizes, and again we'll be improving. This is a cycle going on and on. So roughly speaking, artificial intelligence is when a computer algorithm does intelligent work. On the other hand, machine learning is a part of AI that learns from the data and also involves the information gathered from previous experiences and allows the computer to change its behavior accordingly. Artificial intelligence is a superset of machine learning, and machine learning is artificial intelligence, but artificial intelligence is not machine learning. So the major differences I would like to explain are in artificial intelligence, AI manages more comprehensive issues of a automating system. This computerization should be possible by utilizing any field such as processing, cognitive science, neural systems, machine learning, etc. Whereas machine learning manages to influence users' machines to gain from external environment. This external environment can be sensors, electronic segments, external storage gadgets, or numerous other devices. Whereas, and coming to the next difference, artificial intelligence manages the making of machines, frameworks, and different gadgets by enabling them to think and do errands as all people generally do. What machine learning does is it depends on the user input or query requested by the client. The framework checks whether it is available in the knowledge base or not. If it is available, it will restore the outcome to the user related to that query. However, if it is not stored initially, the machine will take the user input and will enhance its knowledge base to give a better value to the end user. Great, right? of it. So it also has a future scope. Like artificial intelligence is here to stay and is going nowhere. It digs out the facts from algorithm for a meaningful execution of various decisions and goals predetermined from a firm. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are likely to replace the current mode of technology that we see these days. For example, traditional programming languages like ERP and CRM are certainly losing their charm. Hope you're understanding this. Firms like Facebook, Google are investing a hefty amount in artificial intelligence to get the desired outcomes at a relatively lower computational time. Artificial intelligence is something that is going to redefine the world of software and IT in the near future. Hope you have guys have understood the differences between artificial intelligence and machine learning and understood what is the buzz which is going to be in the future. Everything is going to be computerized. So guys, please do machine learning projects, learn machine learning projects, learn pre-processing, natural language processing, build up your own projects, train your own models, test it with the data set, create your own data sets, and create your own AI to do your task. Like create your personal voice assistant, create chatbots, which will surely help you in future. So that's it, guys, for today's session. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day.